We saw oil prices fluctuate, a rally in U.S. equities, and major movements ahead of central bank decisions. Let's first examine the movement in the oil market following recent geopolitical events. Brent crude oil opened higher in response to the escalation of the Middle East conflict over the weekend. However, Brent later pared those initial gains, eventually finishing the day stabilized around the $100 mark. Moving to the stock market, U.S. equities showed significant positive movement. The decline in oil prices was a key factor, prompting risk-on sentiment across U.S. equity markets. The S&P 500 index reacted positively, gaining a solid 1.0%, with most major sectors advancing. Outside of the U.S., the picture was slightly more varied across international markets. European and Asian equity markets displayed a more mixed performance compared to the U.S. rally. In the fixed income space, we saw a retreat in bond yields. Government bond yields pulled back today after experiencing sharp rises during the previous week. The market is now focused on upcoming announcements from major central banks, which are anticipated to set the tone for future yield moves. Finally, we spotlight the Australian dollar and the Reserve Bank of Australia's anticipated decision. The Reserve Bank of Australia is widely expected to lift the cash rate by 25 basis points to 4.10% in today's interest rate decision. Against the backdrop of the RBA expectation and a retreating DXY, the AUD was one of the best G10 performers, gaining 1.3% to 0.7071. That wraps up our market update for March 17th. Stay tuned for further insights into how central bank actions shape the coming weeks.